All right, guys, welcome to another episode. Where you there? In the kitchen. And this week, I have something wonderful for you guys.
I'm going to be doing a curry shrimp, and I'm going to put a little bit of twist to it.
In the kitchen.
Had all your fresh ingredients. After you had your fresh ingredients, saute for a couple seconds. You put in your shrimp and let your shrimp saute looking real good, because you're gonna definitely enjoy this. This is a dish that you can serve with some white rice. You can serve with some food. You can do yam, dumpling, banana, curry shrimp, and you're good to go. And you're gonna definitely enjoy this. So let it saute for about a minute. Nice, and you can add a little bit flavor. You can kind of taste as you go along. Taste your sauce, make sure your sauce is good. If you want, you can add a little bit more of the curry paste inside. Looking real good, real nice. It's almost medium right now, but you still want to cook it a little bit more just to make sure that everything is blending, all your flavors are there, everything is going on for it. And then the next step that you're gonna do now, you're gonna now start adding your broccoli. You can also do cauliflower if you want. You can do broccoli and spinach, and you're gonna add it, and you're gonna start saute this together and let this cook. You're gonna add a little bit of seafood base, or you can use some fish base or some shrimp base, and you're good. Saute them again for probably another minute or so. At this point, you can add a little bit of water to it, because now you're building your gravy. You're building the base for your gravy. Let it cook for another minute or so. Looking real good, looking real nice. If you need, you can taste as you go along. You can top it off with a little bit more of Old Bay season. You can put some butter inside just to help enhance the flavor and enhance the texture, because you need a nice, rich, thick gravy going on. Because this you're gonna definitely need when you put your rice next to it. You need that nice, rich, thick gravy going on with it. So you're gonna let this cook for probably, I would say probably another minute or so. At this point, you can now add your potato, because like I said, this is a real different dish. This is something different. So it's not your typical curry shrimp. We're gonna go with some baby potato. You're gonna put it in. I pre-cook the baby potato first, because as you know, it's going to take a little longer time. So I pre-cook it, and then I put it into the curry shrimp, and then let it cook together, because the flavor is going to go into the potato quite easy and quite quick. So definitely, you're going to definitely enjoy it. I'm plating this solo for now, meaning it's by itself. Then you can plate it again, and you can plate it with some white rice and peas, whatever you want to serve it with. You put it in a nice plate, then you serve your rice to it, and everything blends in, everything look real good, and you're definitely gonna enjoy this. This goes well with some lemonade. It goes well with some red stripe beer. It goes well with Heineken. It goes well with some red wine or some white wine, you know, and you'll definitely enjoy it. Even a glass of fruit punch. Just put some fresh lemon, because as you know, with seafood, you definitely always want to have your fresh lemon going on. So you put your fresh lemon, and looking good. If you want, you can also put some garnish. You can put some parsley leaf. You can put anything that you want to use as garnish, just to bring the plate to life.
Nice lemon on the side. You can't go wrong with this. And you have nice glass of wine, red stripe beer, you're good, or some lemonade, and you're good.
So until I catch you next week, where you there? In the kitchen, and we're gonna be making something totally different, something totally new, and you're gonna love it.